Hey fam, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to wash your locks at home. When there's new growth at the root of your hair, it can mesh together, so detangling before washing makes the washing process a lot easier so you don't snap your hair at the roots. So I start from the back and I gradually make my way to the front of my hair. I do this with every lock. I detangle every lock before I start to wash. I start by drenching my hair in hot water. When I say hot water, I don't mean scalding water, of course, but water that is hot enough to wash out, oil and grimes and any form of buildup on my locks. Then I go in with my shampoo. This is a shampoo I made myself. I have been using this shampoo for about 5 years. Yes, about 5 years. I've been using this shampoo for about 5 years. Before I locked my hair, I was using the shampoo while I still had virgin natural hair. So I will probably make a video on how you can make this shampoo at home. It's very cost effective and it leaves my hair feeling very healthy. It doesn't strip my hair of all the natural oils. So yeah, sometimes I section out my hair and I wash section by section, but today I'm just winging it. So I start from my scalp and then gradually make my way down to the ends of my hair, and I scrub gently, very very gently, because my scalp is very delicate. when I'm done shampooing my hair, I rinse off with hot water, to wash off all of the oil and grime and all of that. Then I finish off with cold water. So I start with hot water. Hot water is to wash off all of the dirt and the shampoo, and then I finish off with cold water to reduce the amount of shrinkage my hair will experience, because hot water and heat shrinks your hair, and I don't want my locks to thin out. When I'm done rinsing, I squeeze my locks a bit to get out the water, because they retain a lot of water. And then I section out my hair again and use a towel. I squeeze again to take out as much water as I can. And then I wrap my hair in a t-shirt. This is how I wash my hair at home. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and hit the notification bell so that you get an alert whenever we drop a new video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Until next time, bye.